Are you a beginner looking for an easy strategy that could possibly double your bankroll? Well, look no further. I got you. Shooter Bones here, aka the Midnight Ace. And this is the beginner's bet strategy. And even if you're not a beginner, I think this is still a pretty cool strategy. We're going to start off with 200 bucks. Yeah, that's going to be our bankroll for today. Now we're going to be at a $15 table because it's getting harder and harder for me to find a $5 table. I can't find a $5 table. I wish. I'm talking about a $10 table. It's hard for me to find a $10 table. $5 tables it's like a unicorn. But anyway, 200 bucks. And this strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with $10 on the pass line. We're going to wait for a number to be established. Let's just say, where's my puck? Let's just say if 5's established. We're going to put 30 on the 6 and 30 on the 8. Now, a lot of strategies are going to have, they're going to start off with the 6 and 8 because the 6 and 8 are the most likely numbers to that the dice are going to fall on other than a 7. Of course, 7 has the most variables to fall on. But we're going to play that 6 and 8. And then once a 6 or an 8 hits, let's just say the 8 hits. That 30 is going to get you 35. But we're going to want some chips here. And from there, we're going to play 15 here, 15 here. We're going to take this back. We already have a 5. And we're going to put 18 on the 8. Now you see how I did that when we hit the 8? And now you do the same thing if you hit a 6. You spread it out. Take this up. You know, you're going to have 35 bucks from the win. And you put 15 here. And since this is the number, you can put money on the odds. Or you can just put them up anywhere else. But the whole object is to use the 6 and 8 to fill up the place bets. You got it? Get it? Got it. Nice. All right. So let's just get, I'll just leave that there. Let's just get into it. All right. I hope everybody's having a 50 roll day. Go. Tension. 10. So now we're going to put 30 on the 6 and 8. So that 6 is going to get us 35. So I'm going to ask him to put the money on the 4 and the 5. And I still have my 5 here, so we're going to drop that. So now I have 18 on the 6, 15 on the 5, 15 on the 4. Yo, 11. Yo. Six. There we go. So that 18 is going to give me 21. And we'll just collect it. Four. 15. Anybody? Let's get some change out here. Same thing, 21. And what we're going to do is we're going to collect it. Just collect. 5. Fever. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm mistaking that one. That's 27. Ooh. I'm getting it all wrong right now. Sorry about that, John. Rookie mistake. Yeah, I'm still learning too. Messed up on that 4. And the 5. So, get my money on that 5. On that 4, it should have been 27. And you know what? Since we're at the beginning stage, I'm just going to drop this since I'm feeling like I'm already winning. I'm going to put 18 on that. Winner. And there we go. So now these are all off. And you know, I think we're doing pretty good right now. 10 again. Big Ben 10. Five. The old 1-4. That's going to be again 21. Oop, no, 21 spot. And 7 out. It's alright, we did good on that one. 7 out. Let's get some fresh dice on here. Alright. Here we go. Dice out. 5. Oops. See, I'm messing over. 5. The Fever. 4 F's. 3, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5. Now let's put the 30 on the 6 and the 8. 9. Little Nina from Pasadena. 12. All the spots and all the dots. Or all the dots and all the spots. Midnight. The Yo 11. Elovine. Elovine Dancing Queen. 3. The Shocker. You know what? I keep getting everything in the field. Let's do that. Let's do the field. Got 3. The Shocker. 6. All right, we lost in the field, but we got our 35. You know what? We're gonna stick to the strategy and take these down and put 15 on the 4, and we're gonna put 18 on that 6. 8, 35. All right, so we're gonna do 15 on the 10, 15 on the 9, and we're gonna take that down, add our 3, and we're gonna have 18 on that 8. So now we're all covered. 3, the Shocker. Ace Deuce. 6. I'm liking this strategy. You know what? I'm gonna turn everything off because I feel like that big red is coming. Big red is coming. So we're gonna put 25 in the comeback. Let's do that. Ooh, 8. Go up to the 8. We're gonna take this off. All right, turn it back on. Turn it back on. 10. 10. Okay, remember what I said about that 4s and 10s? That's going to be 27. So, just pull that. Yeah, see again, this is the beginner's roll, so I feel, I'm nervous. I get nervous when I play, so I'm going to take down this 4. And I'm going to take down the, I'm going to take down the 10, even though it just hit. And let's do a comeback. 6. 21. 6. There you go. $21 in that 6. I'm gonna pull this down. I'm gonna put that up there. $10. 6, 4 out of the door. Hey, does anybody got any I don't know, funny names for the numbers that they got? If you do, comment down below. Let me know. Let me know below. What's your number? Or what's your word? 6. Sixers. Little 6y from Dixie. So yeah, we're doing all right. We are doing all right with this strategy. Beginner's bet strategy. 8. The hard way. 8. Just one on that 8. Let's do 15 in the comebacks. Let's do that. See, because I'm looking, we already won our money. Aces, both places. Ooh, got us on that one. Okay, but you know what? Let's do it again. And this time, let's see if that midnight ace come back up. Because right now we're playing on house money. 3. Oh my goodness, the one I didn't play. Man, like I said, those field bets, man, those prop bets. Everybody say the sucker bets until they hit. 9, Nina. We still got one on the 9. It's gonna be 20, 21. I feel some type of way about not hitting those midnight aces that keep coming up. 8, 6, 2. Might be tall, but shorter than you. 6, 2, 8. 12. Oh, I didn't want to do so. Midnight. Midnight. See what I mean by me being mad that I'm not playing those? Five. Winner. Winner 5. Puck is off. Collect that money. And you know what? Yeah, we got time for one more. Sixers. All right, so when this happens, we just play on that. That's all. Just play on the 8, and we'll do 25 on the comeback. Spice it up. 10. 6, 4, out the door. Right? Oh, excuse me. Aces, both places. Yo. All right, so everybody knows if you watch the channel, that's my bet. Aces got him. Both places. So we lose here. But we get 29 on that. So let's double it. There we go. 2 in the midnight. That's the 12. 2 in the 2s. And 1 on the 3. 9. It's gonna be 21. That's 5, 6. I'm gonna do 4 there. So there you go, 21. Whew, yeah, I'm liking this strategy. You know what? Let's take that 8 down. Let's take that 8 down. Yeah, you know what? Let's leave it. 9, Nina. That 9 again, the Jesse James. Keep coming up. Look at the Jesse James. Lou Brown. The Railroad Express. Engine. Number 9. Oh, that's so. You got it. And 7 out. 7 out. All right. That was a hell of a roll. Let's see what we got. That's 100 there. 5, 50. It's 100. 200. It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 20. So 420 bucks. 420. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. You doubled that money, like I said in the beginning. Hey, if this was helpful to you, please comment down below, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Take care of the waitresses, hook up the dealers, and look out for yourself, okay? Until next time, have a 50 roll day.